And lastly in the program, here's a reminder of how serious the smog in some parts of China is and measures some people are taking to roll back the pollution. The latest weapon in the fight against pollution is a vacuum cleaner to suck up the smog. A Dutch artist and designer has reached an agreement with the Beijing municipal government to test it at a park. The machine will generate an electromagnetic field to pull in tiny lung-penetrating particles to the ground, where it can be easily stored and then removed.